All right, students, today we are to revise some program of list. Please write the question. Write the question in your notebook also, offline class. The program is that input a list, input or initialize a list, right? And swap the first element with the last element, second element with the second last, so on, right? I hope the question is getting clear to you people. What we are to do is we are to initialize or input a list, and the first element of list is to be swapped with the last element, second element with the second last element, third element with third last, fourth element with fourth last, likewise, right? So let us start. I am taking a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I initialize my list. Avneet, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is the screen also visible? Python window is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is the list which I have initialized, right? Now the concept is the first element to be swapped with the last element, right? So what I'm going to do, I will put one variable in the front and put one variable at the end. In front, I am keeping I. At the last, I am keeping j. But first of all, for j, let us find the length of the string. And j, I have initialized to the last element of list. Right? I have counted the length of the list. The length of the list is x, and x minus 1 is the last element. So I place my j over there. Now, as per the list, I just write one working note over here so that it makes more clear to you people that I is placed at 0. That means I is pointing which element? 1. J is placed at x minus 1. That means j is pointing to 8. Right? Now length of list is 8. Length of list is 8. J will be placed at 7 because the indexing starts from 0 to 7. 0 is the first element, 7 is the last element. No doubt, for me, 7 is equivalent to 8. Am I clear what I have done? Yes, offline class, am I clear totally? Now, we are to find some particular point up till where we are to move. After all, तो एक जगह होगी जहां पे हमें रुकना पड़ेगा. So for that, let us find the mid. How we will find the mid? When we will divide our length by 2 using the floor division technique. Right? Now, till I is less than mid, I will move from here. You can see the movement of my hands. I is here, j is here. First of all, the ith and the jth they will get swapped. Then I will come in front, J will shift back. यहां से सेकंड लास्ट. अगर ये सेकंड की ओर बढ़ रहा है और ये सेकंड लास्ट की ओर आ रहा है, तो नेचुरली वन इज इंक्रीमेंटिंग, अदर इज डिक्रीमेंटिंग. So first of all, what we are to do, the element which is lying at I, at 0 index, place it in the temp. Now use your common sense and tell me what is the value residing in temp. L of I temp में क्या है? I की वैल्यू क्या है? 0. What is L of 0? 1. तो temp में क्या चला गया? 1. Now L of I जो अब असाइन हो गया, वहां पे मैंने क्या असाइन करवा दिया? L of J. What is the value of J? What is the value of J? 7. Index. What is L of 7? 8. So now what has gone to L of I? 8. Now L of J is empty. So what will be placed there? Temp. Temp will go in L of J. 1 goes here, 8 comes here. 1 goes here, 8 comes here. Clear? Now we are to show the movement of I also. दो एलिमेंट तो स्वैप हो गए. What about the other elements? For other elements, I will move in front. I is coming ahead. J is coming at back. Am I clear? Now I, tell me the current value of I. After the increment, tell me the current value of I. 1. Index 1 means 2. What is the current value of J now after decrementing? 6. Again and again I am telling you, count the index from 0. Right? Now, finally, new list. Let us print the new list. Right? I am saving this program on desktop only with the name first, last, swap. See the output. Clearly see the output beta. Online class, you also view the output. 8 has been swapped with 1. 2 has been swapped with 7. 3 has been swapped with 6. And 4 swapped with 5. Am I clear with the concept? Am I clear with the concept? Please come in front. When seat is there, please maintain social distancing also. Yes, online class, any doubt? I again show the logic to you people. Once again, I repeat the logic because in the next question, I will make one change in the existing coding. Right? Right now, it is a very simple logic that I am to swap the first element with the last, second with the second last, third with the third last. Correlate the elements at beginning position and corresponding to the last position. Right? So this is my original list. Let me have more clear view. First of all, I want to print my original list. This is my original list. Now I place the I variable at 0. 0 means the beginning index of the list. The beginning index of the list, right? That is 0. So I is at the 0 index, and which element is at 0 index? 1. Now I calculate the length of the list, and after calculating the length of list, whatever value I am having, I assign the value to x. I assign the value to x. Now J has been placed at the last element. The last element is n minus 1. Of course, length minus 1. If length is 8, so x will be 7. That is the last element, right? So J is pointing to value 7, and at 7 index, I have 8. Again, I am focusing on one point. I and J are pointing to index, not the element. L of I, L of J, they are element. You got my concept or not? Online class, any queries? Mihir, Mayank, Avneet? Clear? So now I want one particular point up till where I have to stop. Because if I'm not having such condition to stop, the while loop will take me to the infinite condition. For that, what I have done, I have calculated the middle value, the middle element. And how I find the middle index? I find the middle index by dividing my length with 2. That will give me the middle index. So up till middle, middle is the common point up till where J will strike and where I will strike. At one point, they both will strike, right? So till I is less than mid, till I is less than mid. If mid is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, you can check the shaded portion. You can check the shaded portion up till what value I will move. Middle is 4, 8 divided by 2, 4. Less than 4, that means 0, 1, 2, 3. So the shaded portion in the question is giving you the indication, the movement of I, right? And the next shaded portion is the movement of J. To make you more clear, try to view carefully how I am shading the portion. I am moving backward. This will be the movement of J, right? It will shift one element back. So the element lying at first index, keep on looking the shaded portion, will be swapped with the element at the last position. This is the swapping. The swapping will continue till I reaches the condition. And since I'm using the while loop, so what is the concept of while loop? Initialization outside the loop, testing after the loop name, increment of the variable, decrement of the looping variable inside the body. For loop में तो ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो जाता है ना, for loop तो अपने आप अपडेट हो जाता है, right? So in while loop, within the body, you have to show the increment and the decrement. For loop में automatically अपडेट हो जाती है वैल्यू. For loop जब चलता है, initialization, test and updation, it automatically runs within the loop, right? Am I clear with this? So after this, finally I print my new list. So I show the coding once again, and next question will be performed by you people. Now you can easily compare the original list and the new list. Because in test A3, I am going to put the section C of your board exam. You will be having list program, one output question, and hopefully MySQL table. One program of list, of course, via function you are to perform, and you'll be having one output question. Output question can be from any, from string, from list, from tuple, from dictionary, and hopefully MySQL table, where you will write commands. Okay, am I clear? Yes, any doubts, any queries? Now, if my series is odd, in the beginning question, my series was even. Now my series is odd. The middle value will remain constant. वो अपने आप के साथ स्वैप हो गई. 3 इधर, 3 इधर. The middle value swap by itself. वो तो already अपनी position पर है ही. Clear? Now the question for you people. Keeping the same logic, online this is for you also. Keeping the logic same, please note down the question first. And this question you have to do with the help of function. Write a user defined function. Online class, beta, you also write the question. And if you are accessing Zoom via laptop, please practice the program at home. Write a user defined function, shift. I write the complete question over here. I write the complete question. Write a user defined function, shift, having list L as a parameter, having list L as a parameter, and swap the first element with the last element, second element, with the second last element, and so on, only and only if either or both elements are even. How many of you understood the question? First element लास्ट के साथ स्वैप हो, सेकंड लास्ट के साथ, थर्ड लास्ट के साथ, only and only if either one among them is even, either both are even. But if both are odd, 1 here, 9 here, then swapping should not be there. You have 1 here, at end you have 9. Like in the given question, you can see first is 1, then last is 7. Both are odd. Not a single element among between two is even. So there should be no swapping. There should be no swapping. Online, am I clear with the question? Online class, am I clear with the question? अब मान लीजिए यहां पर मैं 8 लिख दूं. अगर 1 ऑड है, 8 तो इवन है ना, तो 8 तो इवन हो गया ना, क्योंकि मैंने कहा ओनली एंड ओनली इफ ईदर और बोथ. तो 8 इवन आ गया तो ये स्वैप हो जाए. अगर आगे 2 हो, इधर 8 हो, दोनों इवन है, तब भी स्वैप हो जाए. स्वैपिंग तब रुकेगी अगर दोनों ऑड है. राइट? सो स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. ऑनलाइन क्लास, you also start the question in your computer, beta. And offline class, please you start your question. I'll be coming to your desk to check. Right? Am I clear with the concept? Yes Online class, beta, am I clear with the concept? Now, as per this coding, you can clearly see the concept is same as I told you in the beginning of the in the last question. Only I have added this condition. The condition was if first the beginning element or the last element, either or both are even. So I put the condition if either of the condition gets true, or says logical, or says either both, either one, condition should get true. So accordingly, the swapping will take place, and I will get increment, J will get decrement, and I print the new list. Now see here in the list, please see the LCD beta. The first element here is odd. Let us correlate with the last element. It is also odd, so they should not get swapped. See, the first and the last, they are not swapped. They are there only because both are odd. Am I clear? बेटा फर्स्ट एलिमेंट 1 है, लास्ट एलिमेंट 9 है, दोनों ही ऑड है, इनमें से कोई एक भी इवन नहीं है, तो ये स्वैपिंग हुई नहीं. लेट अस प्रोसीड फॉर द नेक्स्ट. वहां पे 2 था, वहां पे 7 था, 2 इवन हो गया, एक कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई, वो स्वैप हो गए, वो स्वैप हो गए. फिर यहां पे 3 था, यहां पे 6 था, 6 इवन है, ये स्वैप हो गए. इधर 4 था, इधर 5 था, 4 इवन है, वो स्वैप हो गए. Let us make one more pair which is totally odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. Now which two values still same? एक तो 1 और 9 सेम रहेंगे जहां पर हैं, बाकी 3 और 11, 3 और 11. See here, 1 and 9 are fixed. 1 and 9 are fixed. Beta, see the LCD carefully first. 1 and 9 are fixed. 3 and 11 are also fixed. ना 1 और 9 शिफ्ट हुए, ना 3 और 11 शिफ्ट हुए, क्योंकि दोनों पेयर ऑड है. Am I clear with the question? Totally clear with the question? Online class, am I clear with the logic? Mihir, Mayank, Avneet, am I clear? I am showing the coding once again, you can see. Beta, don't cram the coding, try to understand the logic. And this is the complete format which is expected from you in the boards. You are to frame your question using function. Now, one important point over here. Suppose the question is silent about the function name. आपको सिर्फ ये कहा हुआ है write a user defined function, पर फंक्शन का नाम नहीं दिया हुआ. तो अपनी तरफ से आप कोई भी एक ऐसा नाम लेना जो आपके क्वेश्चन के रेलेवेंट हो. Try to take any one function name which is relevant to your logic, but don't take any keyword as function name. Don't take any keyword as your function name. Right? Clear? Secondly, अगर बोर्ड के क्वेश्चन में ये मेंशन्ड है having function shift having list L as parameter, तो यहां पर आपको क्लियर कट बोला गया कि फंक्शन जो है वो खाली नहीं है, फंक्शन के अंदर पैरामीटर है, फंक्शन के ब्रैकेट एम्प्टी नहीं है, फंक्शन के ब्रैकेट में आर्ग्यूमेंट है, तो आपको कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट लेके चलना पड़ेगा साथ में. Am I clear? Am I totally clear? Online class, offline class, am I clear? Now let us make you more clear. I want to shift element first with the last, second with the second last, only and only if both the elements are multiple of 3. If both elements are multiple of 3, what change I will make in the coding? What change I will make in the coding class? Both elements should be multiple of 3. If L of I modulus 3 equal to 0, and why and? Because both are required. Very good. Logical and. L of j modulus 3 equal to 0. Then the swapping should take place. So let us make elements according to that. 3, 9, 2, 7, 8, 15, right? Let us see the output. See, 9 swap with 3 because both are multiple. 2 even. अब एंड कहता है दोनों ट्रू होने चाहिए, पर यहां पे तो एक इवन हो गया, तो ये तो स्वैप हुए ही नहीं. 8, 15 ये भी स्वैप नहीं हुए क्योंकि 8 इवन हो गया. 4 और 5 ये भी स्वैप नहीं हुए क्योंकि 4 इवन है. तो सिर्फ वो स्वैप हुए जहां दोनों 3 के मल्टीपल हैं. एम आई क्लियर? ऑनलाइन क्लास मिहिर, मयंक, अवनीत, एम आई क्लियर?